Dark spots, meron ako niyan. Oily skin, meron din ako niyan. So, this is the perfect time to try the Skintific Perfect Stay Velvet Matte Cushion. But before we do that, of course, we need to prep our skin. Before I apply it on my face, let's first read yung kanyang product information, kung ano ba yung mga claims niya. Etong si Skintific Perfect Stay Velvet Matte Cushion retails for 470 as of today. Yun yung chinecomprise niya sa TikTok. Meron din siyang 8 shades available, pero mine is in the shade 03 Petal. So, let's now proceed dun sa kanyang mga claims. So, sabi dito, the Skintific Perfect Stay Velvet Matte Cushion creates flawless and natural matte makeup look. And it has a 12 hours oil control, excellent coverage with 3 antioxidant extracts. So, ibig sabihin nito, dahil excellent ang coverage niya, flawless daw siya sa face, and meron siyang oil control that will last for 12 hours. And I am the perfect reviewer of this cushion. What else? Sabi dito, worry-free from dullness and oxidation, and it also has skincare benefits. Transfer-proof din daw siya. So, let's see about that. And non-cakey. Ano-ano nga ba yung mga ingredients na nakita ko ni Skintific? So, unang-una, meron daw siyang niacinamide. Si niacinamide, alam naman natin nakakakontrol ito ng oil ng ating mukha. Second is the copper tripeptide. So, according dito, itong ingredient na to is to smoothen and make your skin flawless. So, ito, mabubutcher ko to. Astaxanthin, natural UV blocker daw siya. So, ibig sabihin may sun protection siya. Lastly, meron siyang tocopherol, which is an antioxidant that helps maintain the appearance of cushion from oxidation. So, that's everything I read doon sa Skintific na website. Let's now proceed doon sa application. So, I'm going to apply it on this side first para we can see the difference. So, ito naman yung itsura ng kanyang packaging. Maganda yung itsura niya, though madumihin siyang tignan kasi nag-relieve to ng fingerprints, pero I don't mind. Sa likod, nakasulat yung kanyang shade. And then, when you open it, meron kang makukuhang mirror and yung pinaka-cushion niya. Tapos, yung kanyang product is nasa loob. All cushion foundation, the proper way to apply it is by pressing your sponge directly doon sa product. And then, top off the excess doon sa likod. And then, apply it na sa inyong face. So, tignan natin dito kung mako-cover niya. I can still see yung aking dark spots. Wala akong maamoy sa kanya, in fairness. Ito na yung difference niya. So, medyo maputi yung napili kong shade pala, no? So, hintayin lang natin siya na mag-set a little bit. Apply na muna natin siya on the rest of my face and I'll be back. So, ito na itsura niya. So, hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo to. Ayan. Nandun siya sa mga pores ko. I'm actually contemplating if isa-set ko pa siya ng powder. Pero dahil I have oily skin, I feel like kailangan ko siyang iset lightly lang ng powder. I'm done with my makeup. Magpapa-car-wash ako ngayon, yun ang errands ko, and magla-lunch ako kasi hindi pa ako nagbe-breakfast. So let's try na natin dito outside kasi perfect dahil mainit and summer ngayon. Hi guys, so I'm back na. It's currently 11:28 p.m. Almost 12 hours na. So ito na itsura ng aking face. Kanina, baka hindi nyo kasi nakita, papakita ko lang. Nung nag-blot ako, kaninang hapon, meron siyang minimal transfer. Ito siya. Hindi siya totally transfer proof. Now, let's blot it again. So, ito yung itsura niya ng malapitan. Actually, namumuo-muo siya. Nagsisettle siya dun sa aking pores. Kita nyo ba? Ayan o. May puti dyan. Yan. Itong part na to. So, eto siya. Yan. Meron talaga. So, sabi, transfer proof. Hindi po siya 100% transfer proof. Sabi, wala rin siyang cakey finish. Actually, may tendency siyang maging cakey. Pagdating naman sa coverage, napansin nyo naman kanina, may nagpipick through pa rin doon sa aking mga dark spots. I think it has a medium coverage. I think the Skintific Perfect Stay Velvet Matte Cushion is for people, alam mo na hindi sobrang oily. Parang kayo nasa in-between ng normal to oily skin. I don't know, baka mali ba ako? Pero I'm going to try it again tomorrow. Let's see if same pa rin ba yung aking opinion, same pa rin ba yung aking comments. So, ayan. Basta, I will guys update you. I'll try to make this work. I'll try to use a different kind and type of sunscreen and skincare. Tingnan natin kung, baka naman kasi ako yung may maling nagawa, mali yung combination ng mga ginamit ko na skincare at sunscreen dito sa Skintific. Pero dapat kasi hindi ganun yung case. Pero anyway, para maging fair, try ulit natin siya. Hi guys, so as promised, I'm going to try again the Skintific Perfect Stay Velvet Matte Cushion. This time, iniba ko yung skincare ko at saka yung aking sunscreen to check if hindi lang ba siya talaga compatible dun sa ginamit ko kahapon. So yan, ito na itsura ng aking skin ngayon. Nakapag-set na rin yan. Now, let's try again the Skintific. This is how it looks like on the right side of my face. So let me just finish applying it all over my face and I'll come back. So I'm now finished applying the Skintific cushion all over my face and this is how it looks like. Yes, talagang maputi siya sa akin kasi mali ako ng shade na nakuha. Please ignore that. Pero ito na itsura niya sa aking face. Let me finish my makeup and I'll come back. Tapos na ako mag-makeup and balikan ko na lang kayo later to give you an update. Hi guys, so I'm back. So it's currently 3:18 in the afternoon and this is how the Skintific cushion looks like on my face. Yeah. Kitang-kita nyo naman na oily na ako. Kita nyo tong part na to? O, diba? Nag-settle siya doon sa aking pores. Magbablot ako using, of course, a blotting paper. O, ayan. Kitang-kita nyo naman. Grabe. O, ayan na siya. Ayan na yung oil. Hindi na kinaya. Konti na lang sa gilid na lang. Ayan na, punong-puno na siya ng oil. So, ano itong tanggalin sa mukha ko kasi hindi na ako komportable. So, I'm back with a clean face. I had to remove my makeup na kasi uncomfortable na talaga siya. And I think this is where I'm going to end my review with the Skintific Perfect Stay Velvet Matte Cushion. I'm sorry, but I don't think compatible siya sa akin or sa skin type na meron ako. At least that's my opinion. Kung na-maintain niya ba na matte yung aking face, hindi. Transfer proof ba siya? Hindi, not 100%. Yung sinasabi na may oil control siya for 12 hours, unfortunately, hindi. Pinakita ko naman sa inyo yung update ko. I'm sorry, pero hindi ko siya nagustuhan. So yeah, that's my honest review. Hindi naman ibig sabihin neto na hindi nag-work sa akin or hindi maganda para sa akin is ganun na rin para sa inyo, no? I still suggest you try the Skintific. Baka naman kasi sa inyo mag-work siya and magustuhan nyo siya. Disclaimer lang, this review is not made para siraan yung brand or siraan yung product. All I'm saying is that the Skintific Perfect Stay Velvet Matte Cushion is not for me. And that's my honest opinion. That's my honest review. So, I hope you guys respect my opinion. Yeah, let me know in the comment section if you like this kind of video. Kung meron kayong gusto ipa-review sa akin, let me know in the comment section also. So, yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me. And I hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye-bye.